That's not that many people. Yeah.
Snorkeling.
There's one.
Here we go.
Did you see him fly across?
That's beautiful.
Did you see him fly across behind you?
It was really good.
They're on that side now.
Yeah.
And the naturalists were on the board with you, and each, it's like a group of 10 people, and there was a guide that went with you, and they had the zodiacs that took you. They would, there's nothing, when you go up to the island, there's nothing there, there's no lives on it.
Sure was.
So they have the zodiac, the motor going up to the island, and then they're trying to help you off it because there's no dock or anything. Yeah, so you have to be sure-footed to go.
Yeah. I would think so.
You could do that.
Push way ahead on the branch sticking right out. See it?
A little wavy through here. You're hoping for that semi-whitewater. I just said a little wavy.
Yeah, just heads up for the waves.
Gonna get wild.
Yeah. Here's the whitewater section of our tour. It gets a little splashy. Yeah, watch your butt. The water don't come up. Oh, right here. This is it. These are the dips. Oh, they kind of died.
Oh.
Yeah. Used to be pretty. Oh my gosh, is that the alligator? You know the log, the alligator log?
Oh. Oh, the very spiky one.
That's the one I was
No,
telling
the
you
one
about.
that looks like the head of an alligator when it was flooding.
I don't know what you're talking
You know what I'm talking about?
No.
What?
No, like, that's what you made up?
Yeah.
Oh, well then of course I don't know it.
I said it a bunch.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, that's my bad then, for sure. Did you say it to me?
Oh yeah. Well, I mean, we all got to row together. I think it is. Just say it is.
Oh my god.
Wow.
He's eating the
Oh, he's eating the salmon.
Oh, he's eating. Look at that.
Alaska.
Alaska. Wow.
That was
Yeah,
a good piece he had there.
Just hatched.
Fresh catch.
That's
Sushi.
awesome. I haven't
Catching
seen one eating up in a tree yet. That's so cool.
Oh, I've seen it.
I think you're working here next summer in Point
He's
Bravo.
a fish.
Oh yeah. Man. That's cool. I've seen one eating on the bank of Chilkoot Lake, but I haven't seen one up in the trees eating yet.
I saw him take a fish up, like peck at it a little bit, and then just leave the fish on the bank and fly away.
Probably pulled its eye out.
Probably, my god.
All the
Oh,
sand.
Here's another one.
below us. Oh, that's a pretty big mountain. Did you go up it? That's wild.
That like little city up there.
Oh, I'm not familiar.
Well, that's what it is. Machu Picchu, yeah.
I just thought that was a new mountain.
You're not way back there.
Uh-huh.
Can't see him anymore.
That was very cool.
Places to visit.
It really is. And now it's cold, and let's go get the best of them. But it's all these things. Oh,
That's why I'm here.
this might get too happy to have you here.
Happy to be
Watching
here.
my sweat
Yeah.
down my face.
No better way to spend a morning.
Do you guys remember looking from the road many, many hours ago at this wall right here? This was that wall with the erosion, so we're coming into that kind of very tree-filled area. That's where we are right now. So we have just a few more minutes left on the float.
I was concerning that you had maybe one or two more of them in you, and it was time for Davis to step up.
Yeah, exactly. I wasn't gonna call him out. It's not bad. Use your skeletal system. Still tiring, but use your skeletal system.
How long have you been doing this?
I've done the rafting since 2019. This would be my second season. I have been doing whitewater since 2014. My true love is whitewater canoeing. I think that is a unique and fun experience.
And how many people are in the canoe?
2.
So,
I don't like to put more than 2 in the canoe.
2 with you and someone else, or 3 over?
No, me and someone else in the canoe. Yeah. Usually in whitewater you wouldn't do more than that. It's fun because like